So go ahead and choose a text box, tap T. And when you're typing, you don't want, let's just go with some basic fonts here. You can choose anything you want here as long as you're able to read it. So I'm going to go with this B4 because the letters are simple, and if I want to change what they say, I tap it. And the next thing I'm going to choose is the pencil, so I can edit it. And I'm going to just write very simple captions, like my morning walk. Done. I'm going to have to make this smaller, so what I do is I just toggle this. Make sure that when you're moving, oopsie, cancel. Make sure that when you're moving it into place that you're not changing the size of your pictures, but you are changing just the size of your text box. So it takes a little bit of getting used to, but you'll get there, you guys. Just be patient with yourself. And enjoy doing this. You know, this is your story. This is how you're going to remember this very specific, I mean, this is such a historical time for you. And the fact that this is your story. This is your quarantine story here, right? So go through and just add a text box for each of the images. Oops. Family. This was my brother visiting from afar. Let's say from 6 feet away. From 6 feet away. The closest we could get, right? Okay, so that was really hard for my mom. My mom lives with me, and it's hard for her to, you know, the only people she's seeing is us, of course, because she lives with us. So when my brother came over, it's like she can't even hug her son, and that's super hard for her. Not easy. Okay. And when you're all done with everything, what you're going to do is submit your image. And what you're going to choose in this case is camera roll. Find the image in your camera roll. You're going to submit that image to Canvas.